What's going on, you guys? It is another day here at the shop. We just got this F-150 in. I think it only got like 120,000 miles on it or so. But it came in dead and had a bunch of codes in it. Put a new battery in it. And now it has like a little bit of a misfire. So we ordered a coil pack and a spark plug. And I'll show you what to look for on the scanner on a Ford. If you guys can see that or not on camera, I can barely see it, but look at number 6. Number 6 is the one with the misfire on here. Number 6. All the rest are looking pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and swap out number 6 coil pack and the spark plug, and hopefully it goes away. If not, then we'll just keep on troubleshooting it. But this should be a pretty easy one. That truck right there is actually a Texas Speed truck. It has a built trans, built engine, and smells like it's running on race gas. But I'm not sure. But we're going to look at that one next and see what's going on with that one. Just got dropped off here. 6-cylinder on a 5.0. Is going to be the second one on the driver's side. So you got this one, and it's that one, number 6. And if you don't know, a Coyote is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that coil pack out and the spark plug and see what she looks like. Alright, so number 6, change the spark plug and the coil pack out. It is a 8mm and then a 16. You're going to need a long ratchet to get the spark plug out. However, this is a brand new spark plug, so somebody's already been fiddling around. But the coil packs are old, so we'll see what it does. A quick note on the spark plugs is if the spark plug is cracked or broken up when you pull it out the hole, you have something wrong with the cylinder, and that's no bueno. Let's see what we get. Seems like it's running better. Seems pretty good to me. We'll let it sit here and idle for a bit, make sure it's alright, and we'll go for a test drive. Alright, so I revved it up a couple times, and now number 6 is still misfiring. So I'm going to kill the injector for number 6 to see if it changes. So I'm going to monitor all the misfires here. So as you can see, number 6 is still misfiring. So I disabled the injector, and it still has misfire. There's no change. So I think we need an injector. Which this is part of troubleshooting. You know, sometimes people are in a rush and they just want shit done without really troubleshooting it. That's why we went ahead and replaced the coil pack and the spark plug, and we did a battery. The guy's kind of hot for it, but obviously I do believe it needs an injector. But we can do a compression check just to make sure number 6 is okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a compression check real quick on the number 6.